Now, one of the most important things about computer programming and computers in general is that you can program computers to do certain things when certain conditions are met. And they're typically called conditional statements, or sometimes you may hear them called if statements. So essentially, let's go back to our program with IntelliJ. Essentially, when you have a computer, you can let it evaluate if certain things are true or if certain conditions are met. And what I've done here is I've added an if statement. And you'll hear it called if statements, sometimes conditional statements. And essentially what I've done here, right under our points for team 1 and points for team 2, I've said if points for team 1 is greater than points for team 2, then execute what's inside these curly braces. Print out to the system team 1-1. So essentially when you have an if statement or a conditional statement, you're going to evaluate if a certain set of conditions or whatever conditions you set up, you program, if they're true, and then whatever you tell the computer to do inside these, it'll execute inside these little curly braces. So in this case we said system.out.println, which means to print to the screen that team 1-1. So if I did this, how you run it in IntelliJ, you go up here, you hit the screen, and you hit run. You're going to run basketball team main, our class here. You're going to hit run right here, and the system's going to parse, and you see right here it says team 1-1. It did exactly what we wanted it to do. So try this out for yourself. Try writing an if statement and saying if points for team 1 is greater than points for team 2 to print out something to the screen and see what happens, see what it does for you.